My name's Brendan Peng, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make my ricotta donuts with strawberries and cream. It's quick, easy, let's get started. So the first step is to make the batter for the ricotta donuts. For that, I have some ricotta here. To that, I'm going to add 2 eggs. So I'm going to crack these. Next goes in the vanilla extract and also some caster sugar. We're going to give that a good whisk until it's nice and smooth. Awesome, so now that I have all my wet ingredients nice and combined, we're going to add in our dry ingredients. I have some plain flour. We also have some baking powder. Cool, and also to finish it off and to balance the flavor out, a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to use a spatula this time and I'm going to carefully fold it through because we don't want to overwork it. Okay, so my ricotta donut batter, as you can see, is actually not too loose. It's a bit thick, which is kind of what I'm looking for. I'm going to set that aside for a sec whilst I get started on my strawberry jam. There's 3 very simple ingredients: strawberries, lemon juice, and sugar. So I'm going to just slice these strawberries up into smaller bits. All right, so I've chopped up my strawberries. I'm going to add them into my pan on medium heat. Good generous amount of caster sugar. And some lemon juice as well. Finally, I also like to add in a little bit of the lemon skin itself. So I'm just going to let the strawberries cook down. It might take about 10 to 20 minutes. Let's fry these donuts. No rules here. They don't have to be perfectly round. So my method is basically to grab 2 spoons. So about a spoonful, just like so. Just like a little quenelle. How good do these look? It's getting a bit heavy. So it's time to plate up, and there are no rules here. You could serve these donuts with anything, but I thought I'd feature some strawberries so they're both fresh and as a jam. So I've got my serving dish. Let's do this. Nice drizzle of that jam that we've just made. And to finish, some fresh strawberries, and just a little dusting of icing sugar. There you have it, guys, my ricotta donuts with strawberries and cream. They are guaranteed a crowd pleaser. Best thing about them is that they're quick and easy.